Wealth isn't just built by saving money. Wealth is built by redirecting money into assets that compound. The goal isn't just to save money, it's to manage where the money flows, so it gets redirected into long-term investments, whether at a small scale or a large one. One of the small-scale ways I've chosen to practice redirecting where my money flows is through making my own lattes at home. When I was a teacher, I worked in 4 schools and spent a lot of time in my car. I was short on time and bathroom breaks. I needed to prioritize time and energy, so every day I sent a saved mobile order to Starbucks, ran into the restroom, and grabbed my coffee from the counter on my way out. But as my life changed and I had more of an opportunity to make different choices with a little more time for myself, I decided to learn how to make my own lattes. I bought the espresso machine from Facebook Marketplace for $300. In less than 2 months, it paid for itself. And after that, every 12 lattes I made at home allowed me to pay for a share of Starbucks stock. Of course, you save money making the latte at home and generally doing things yourself, but it also shifts your mindset. I built a pool at home for my own use, but realized I could use my experience teaching swimming lessons to open a tiny pool swim school, pay for the electricity to heat it, and have a little left over to add to my Roth IRA. And when my spouse replaced the dryer drum, we didn't just save $400, we added some funds to our retirement accounts. Sometimes you're making decisions out of necessity, sometimes for practical reasons, and other times just to better your quality of life. There are 2 kinds of saving. One is just not spending. Skip the latte, cancel the subscription, fix the dryer yourself. But if you spend that money on something else, you didn't build your wealth. You just swapped expenses. The second kind is choosing where the money goes next. When the savings from that $7 latte or the $400 dryer repair is invested, the money starts working. Money always flows somewhere. I encourage you to think about what you can do when you have room to choose. Some weeks are just about getting through today. Other weeks give you the chance to start building for tomorrow at whatever scale makes sense for you. Sometimes that means investing in Starbucks stock instead of buying the latte. And if you want to see exactly how I made this latte at home, I'm working on a full Breville tutorial next.